Hi friends, welcome to Tech DJ, the short form for Decision Junction, where we help you to make sense of the hardest choices in tech. Whether you are building your first AI model, deploying apps at scale, or just figuring out if you should use Streamlit or Flask, we've got all covered for you. Here we just don't compare tools, we break down the why, the how, and the when behind each option. So there's no jargon, no hype, just clear data driven insights to help you make the smarter decisions and faster. If tech choices feel like a maze, then this channel is your map. Stay connected. Let's see what we have on the app for you. So, friends, what's our topic for today? So, the topic for today is how do you share or deploy applications? Let's see what happens next. Let's give it a try. How can you try to solve for it? So, Tech DJ breaks down the differences between how do you share and deploy your applications. Let's see what do we have in package, Docker versus executables. Let's see how you can break them down, how you can understand them, and like what's in it for us. Great. So let's talk about executables first. Executable is a file compiled application that runs directly on Windows. It works great, but not only on systems with the right setup. If your code depends on Python specific libraries or system tools, your user must install that correctly. Alright, so it's fragile across different environments. Great. Now let's look at what are Dockers. Dockers, on the other hand, are application that requires everything for you to have on the system. Like it's a package for everything, for code, libraries, dependencies, even the OS, and it contains everything into a container. So you can think of it like a portable box that runs the same way on any machine, like cloud server, no matter like the OS. Good. So what do you think? Here's a quick comparison. Executable files are OS specific. Docker runs anywhere. Docker is installed on Windows, Mac, Linux, even on cloud platforms. Executables require users to install dependencies. However, Dockers already include everything inside the image. Executables run on the host image. Dockers run in an isolated environment, making it safer and more predictable. Executables are good for simple desktop tools. Docker is ideal for scalable production and ready apps, especially in teams or cloud settings. So now that you know where to use what, let's make a quick conclusion. So, use an executive file for quick desktop tools for non-technical users. However, use Docker for team projects, backend apps, productions, deployments, or anything that is cloud ready. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like the content. Please like and subscribe as you follow and wait for more videos.